Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is what is coming next for you in the month of June. Yes, friends, for June, this is your pick a card reading. And, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So, take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Also, friends, I have been off YouTube since a very, very long time. Whew, it's been a tough month. It's been a tough month. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Um, things have been really tough my side, but thankfully we are back on track. Excuse my throat, it's a little sore. It's very hot here. So, yes. A lot has been going on my side, friends, but thankfully, and thank you for your prayers. It's been really keeping me strong and keeping us all safe and blessed, friends. So thank you so much for your immense love and support. Thank you so much. So what is happening? How are you all, guys? I hope you are doing well. And so June is a big month, and I'm late in doing this reading. Yes, of course, which never happens, But yes, sometimes we are late, or rather say in divine timing. So June is a big month, friends. A lot is happening in June. Let's talk about astrologically what will happen. Venus will be going direct in Cancer. Then on the 10th there will be a solar eclipse, yes, on the new moon, which is a big day for all of us. And on the 11th there will be Mars moving into Leo. Saturn will be going, Saturn will be squaring the Uranus, which is again a powerful aspect to have. Then Jupiter will be retrograde and moving into Pisces. And happy birthday, Cancers, on the 20th of June. Happy birthday, Sun moving into Cancer. Mercury will be going direct. Finally, we can expect some good throats and some clear communications. Yes, 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 I know that. Just excuse my throat, friends. I really can't help it today. And Neptune will be going retrograde, yes, in Pisces. Venus will be moving into the passionate Leo. And on the 24th of June, there is a full moon. All right, so this is a packed month, friends. This is a packed month. So let's not waste more time. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website, friends. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. So let's take a deep breath, relax, and choose option number 1, option number 2, option number 3. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option number 1. Option number 2. Option number 3, the Destiny card. It's beautiful. So I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section like always, so you can directly skip there and choose your option. And friends, you can also watch the entire reading. Yes, if you want to watch the entire reading, you can do that. We'll start with option number 1. Let us see how the month of June will be for those who chose the Triumph card, number 7. This is number 1, but the card has the number 7. Wow. This is a powerful month for you, friends. Very, very powerful, and you are marching towards success. You can see how, focused this person is looking. This is a powerful month. 7 is also the month of, the number of mysticism, the number of Neptune, the number of luck. So this is a lucky month in a magical way for you. We're going to look at it into detail now. And these are your extra messages and your advice cards. Some extra messages we'll be taking from here. And excuse my throat. I was not, well, but since all of you were waiting and I wanted to, I was also missing you all. So here is the reading. So let's see, friends. Let's see how June will be for you. Let's see. Wow, this is a great, great month for you. 7 of summer. Yeah, I do feel that, you have in June you have certain choices, friends. You start the month with some choices, some decisions, some confusions. I do feel that, in June right now, since the month has already started, you have certain confusions, what to do, what not to do, which way to go, which way not to go. So there are certain things, and the decisions, decisions, a lot of decisions, a lot of thoughts on your mind as you start the month of June. Let's read the card. It is time to stop procrastinating and make a decision so that you can move forward with priority and clarity. If you if you need to do some research, then do it, but don't overthink the situation. Listen to your heart. So I think this month is, this month is you start the month with some sort of confusions, following your mind or following your heart. You may also have a lot of choices, a lot of ideas, which way to go, because this the new moon in Gemini with the solar moon, the solar eclipse, it will trigger you. It will make you feel like you want to do a lot, you want to achieve a lot. So, this month is about ambitions for you, about thoughts, about decisions, about thinking a lot. But you have to find a way out also, because there is some confusions. Since you have so many thoughts, you also need to find out, um, you know, find a way. Like, you have to figure out your way in this month. Listen to your heart. Your heart knows the answers, so that is the key. I do feel this month you may face some career confusions, like you want to stay in your career, change it, or you want to leave your studies, do something else, start working perhaps. Some sort of a confusion is going about your career, but you will know the answer, friends. It lies in your heart, so listen to your heart. Queen of Autumn, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important for you, friends. I do see money is very important for you in June. Hard work, ambition, career, success, substance, people who value you, all those things are very, very important for you, friends. And I think some sort of a reward will also be coming your way, reward of your past hard work. You may also feel like, life, if you are not, if you are not getting the money you require or you deserve, you may feel like life is a bit unfair. But I think you will be able to achieve something that you want to achieve, or you have been wanting to achieve since a very, very long time. The Queen of Autumn, money coming your way, success coming your way in June. Also, some sort of a aha moment, a proud moment. Like, some confusions, you will come out and you will make the right decisions, which you will be proud of. That yes, finally the confusions are over and I know what to do. You will be given advice that is both practical as well as creative, and it should be fulfilled. It should be followed very carefully. Focus only on what is positive in every situation and in every person. So I do feel that in June you will feel more positive, you will feel more progressive, you will feel more connected with your future, and very ambitious, friends. Your focus is more on work, on money, on success, achievements. If you are a student, some sort of reward or award is coming your way, recognition is coming. Wow, nine of autumn. So definitely money is coming your way, friends. Lots of money, I feel, is actually coming your way. And you will want to do things independently this month. You will not want to accept a lot of help. But people are there to help you, so it will be nice to accept the help. But in work, you will want to do things independently. In some of you may want to shift towards businesses or self work rather than doing some 9 to 5 job. Some of you will be starting or restarting your businesses and achieving some sort of a success there. Even in love, friends, you are very independent. You are valuing yourself. Some of you could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus this month, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person this month. But you want people to value you. You will not be settling for less this month, friends. It is a very powerful energy. The wheel, wow. Definitely, things which were confusing to you, those will be over. Confusions will be over this month, and things will finally be able to move forward for you. If you are waiting for Travel, yes, I do see you traveling this month. I do see it will be lucky for you. I also feel some people will be traveling towards you, and it will be very lucky for you. The wheel. Expect a sudden change, a sudden positive change in your life. You can now move forward and make great progress. So things are going to finally fall into place for you, or the doors will be starting to open up for you. All that slow, stuck energy is bye bye, and something beautiful is coming your way. And I do feel, friends, that in June, this will also be a karmic month for you, in the sense that past rewards, past hard work will be paid off for you. You will get some sort of a benefit from the work you have done in the past, studies or love you have given in the past. It will be coming back to you. If someone was confused or keeping you guessing in love, I do see clarity coming, and that person coming back into your life. So yes, this time you are super lucky in June, yes, because Saturn will be squaring Uranus, so that will also bring success to you, luck, karmic blessings to you. So it's a great month. And in love, I feel like old situations are over, old confusions are over, and something beautiful is coming your way. A new lover or a reunion is coming your way. The High Priestess. Ooh. So, friends, in June, you need to listen to your intuition. This message has come twice because, even in the first card, there is a lot of thought in your mind. You're thinking a lot about this and that, about your future, your career, your past, your present. But the key for June for you is to listen to your intuition. Your intuition is very, very powerful. You must listen to it this month, friends. Also, you will be guided very much this month. You will get a lot of signs like 777, 111, 101010, or 10, like 444. You will get a lot of divine signs which will help you to realize that you are being safe and you are being guided. I also feel in the month of June, some of you will be trying to learn more about yourself or about some skills or some person. You are trying to learn. Your focus is on learning, whether it is in love, whether it is in work or education. You want to learn something new. Also, if you are in a twin flame relationship, a lot of telepathic messages are coming for you. So, yoo-hoo, very nice. But some changes are happening in your life in June, friends. There might be some confusions or some delays because of Mercury retrograde, but you must listen to your intuition because those delays are working in your favor. So, yes, the dreamer. Wow, this is definitely a very, very powerful month for you, friends. Pile number one. You're definitely planning for a new life, a new future. And June is the month when everything will become clear, what you want ahead, where you want to be, whom you want to be in love, whether you want to marry, whether you want to stay single. All those things will become clear. This month is about dreaming about your future. You are starting on a new adventure, and run free and keep your faith high. So yes, some decisions may feel tricky for you this month, but you might end up taking those decisions, like you might quit your job and start working on you know some self work, or start you might go back to college learning something. Some of you may even take some time away from work, away from the hustle and bustle, just trying to meditate, relax, enjoying life. That will also, everyone will have a different thing, I feel. But it will be important, whatever you will do this month, like whether you leave a job or you go into business, or you leave a partnership or enter into a new one, or you just take some time to self care. Everything is, it is in your intuition is guiding you towards it, so don't worry. And the Three of Autumn. So there is a lot of help coming your way, friends. Yes, a lot of people want to help you, cooperate with you, and talk with you, know you, be your friend, help you out. And this may also cause you a bit of worry because you are used to like I think in April, May, or maybe in the past, people were not really helping you. People were not honest with you. People were not wanting your best. So in June, when everybody wants to help you, you are like, really? Are you sure? But help is coming, friends. Help is coming your way, and it will come in very mysterious ways. So, I would suggest you to accept it. I do see some good work colleagues coming, or some new work ideas coming your way. I also see a lover trying to reach out to you and open up new ways of love with you. So, yes, help is coming. Let's see what else. Cornucopia 1111. So, your focus this month in June, friends, is on money, is on future, on stability, on health, on mental peace, on security, financial and emotional security. And I do feel you will achieve a lot of success this month. For some of you, this success is money. For others of you, this success is you finding mental peace, you finding your clarity. That's what you want, clarity, the end of confusions. It will happen for you. Wow, woman holding a coin, number 42. Yeah, I do feel, friends, in June you will be shown a lot of new doors, new opportunities. How you can make more money, how you can be proud of yourself, how you can take care of yourself, how you can even learn something more, all those things will be shown to you. If you are looking for a job, I would say this month is extremely good for you. In fact, it is good even for learning something new, starting something new, and self worth. Yes, people are watching you, people are noticing you, and someone will open their heart and feelings trying to win you, friends. It's up to you whether you say yes or no, but all eyes are on you. So yes, let's see your advice, and then we're gonna look at the extra cards. Luck is on your side. New moon in Sagittarius. So, friends, yes, you're very, very lucky. I told you, the minute you decide what you need to do, you'll be very lucky. Anything you start this month will be lucky. Anything you end also will also be lucky for you in some way. So, the only problem this month you will face is finding what you need to do. Finding you are very ambitious this month, friends. You have a lot of thoughts, so just finding which thought to pick and which things to work on, that will be tough. Otherwise, you'll be lucky, you'll be very lucky. And especially if you are in business or in love also, you'll be very lucky. You can see this luck is on your side. I also feel that anything you start new, whether in love, a new friendship, a new collaboration, a new deal, a new business, a new hobby, you'll be very lucky, friends. You'll be very, very lucky. So take action and believe that you are extremely lucky. So let's see your extra cards for June. Wow, August is important for you, friends. So, some of you may be waiting for success since August, or August is important as a birth month, or something in August will happen ahead for you. What you want now will happen in August for you. Ring, a commitment or a marriage will take place, either romantic or business. So definitely for some of you a marriage proposal is coming. For others of you it could be a business proposal or a new friendship coming your way. Skull, hidden secrets can harm you. Yes, I do feel that you will have a tough time trusting people this month, friends, because people have not behaved well with you in the past. People have cheated you, disappointed you. So it will be tough for you to trust people, even though they mean well. Older women, dealings or relationships with an older woman. So, yeah, some of you could be dealing with parents or in laws or, people of other generation. Pale, time to get out of a situation. Yes, for some of you, it is time to say bye bye to the old and say yes to the new. A man, dealings or relationships with a man. So, yeah, some of you could be dealing with a new friendship, a new person, or a new colleague or a boss. Owl, wow, you have two owl cards. Look at that. Look at that. Now, wow, that's interesting. Good advice from a wise person. So I do feel there are a lot of people who are trying to help you in June. Also, your own intuition is trying to help you, friends. So listen to your intuition. Success, yes, you'll be very successful, and not unsuccessful plans. I do feel, friends, if something is not working for you till now, it has a very high chance of working out in the month of June. I also feel August is also very lucky for you. So if something you are trying to achieve now is not happening, it will happen by August. So that's it for now, friends. Do subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye for now. So, friends, if you chose option number 2, let us see how your month of June will be. If you chose option number 2, the light card, wow, it is beautiful card. I feel this month is very, very forward moving for you, a month of finding clarity, emotional fulfillment and satisfaction. So it is a powerful month for you. And number 19, the sun card, it's like the sun shining back into your life. It is like the confusion, the darkness ending and light entering your life. That is the month of June for you. These are your oracle messages and advice card, and we're gonna look at them shortly. Let's first see your tarot cards, how your June will be, friends. Ooh, Eight of Cups. So you are definitely feeling sad when you start the month of June. Not just sad, I feel you're feeling a bit disappointed. Some things didn't work out as you wanted to. May has not been an easy month for you, friends. Pile number 2. You feel disappointed, you feel sad, you had to let go of certain relationships, certain friendships, maybe even people left you, friends left you behind. So there is some sadness as you begin the month of June. You may also be thinking more about the people, of your past, your childhood, your friends in the past, your lovers, your, exes, your ex-husband wife, ex-lovers. There's a bit of nostalgia when you start the month of June because you are missing people, you are thinking more about the past. And let's read the card. You feel that you feel that there is more to life than what you are experiencing right now. So you feel it is time to move on. You may be moving on from a situation that is not good for you, or you are not happy in it anymore. So either way, whatever you choose, you are in control. So I think you start this month feeling a bit like, caught between your past and your present. But I think you will be able to come out and shake this energy because of 8 of Spring, friends. This month you're gonna be really, really busy. The month starts on a dull note, but it picks up the pace for you in the second week. Things will be getting very steamy, and especially with Venus moving in Leo in the mid month, things will be very hot and passionate and ambitious for you. You'll be working hard, friends. You'll be working hard this month. I do see you working overnight, over day, you are putting in a lot of hard work. And you want to achieve a lot of success. You are very focused. You may start this month on a confused note or on a slightly dull note, but soon after that the month will, you will kick up your heels, and it will be a passionate, ambitious, as well as very busy month. You are very, very, very busy, friends. And you have been presented with many wonderful opportunities all at once. While this may feel very stressful, Be grateful for the blessings that are about to come into your life. So if you feel, oh, how can we be busy, this is such a boring month, don't worry, you'll be surprised, friends, you'll be surprised. A lot of exciting days, exciting times are coming for you. If you are working, I see a lot of work coming your way. If you are a student, extra assignments are coming. If you are a housewife, expect guests or some sort of a new hobby which will keep you very busy. So busy month, friends, busy month. And also I see, I feel like some of you need to have honey. I also need to have some honey because my throat is cracking up. You can see that. But yes, I do feel there is a connection between you and honey and flowers in the month of June. Like, some of you will start working with flowers or learning about flowers and, finding the sweetness of life, finding something which is sweet in your life, emotionally fulfilling for you. So yes, that's for sure. Renewal, wow. This month is definitely about you finding peace with the you making peace with the past and finding something new to be happy about, friends. What a powerful month it is for you. You are definitely focused on the light. You are letting the past go and saying yes to happiness this month. It is wonderful. Um, I do feel that some of you are dealing with tough relationships, relationships which are confusing, relationships which are draining. You may have, in the past, you had to leave those people or relationships. You may be trying to understand family, your relationships with your family, your exes, your past lovers, your current lovers, your twin flame. There is a lot of focus in this month for pile number 2 on thinking and understanding relationships. You are trying to understand why this happened, why that happened, why this person behaved that way. I also see someone from the past who left you majorly is thinking about you and they wanna come back, friends. I don't know if you will accept them or not, but someone wants a reunion with you and they are thinking a lot about you. It is time to get clarity about your life and about your life purpose and make changes so that you are um, on the road or on the path to success. Forgive what has Forgive the past without judgment and fearlessly move forward in the future with hope. So, this month is about, you thinking about the past, you thinking about the present, and you thinking about the future. So, yeah, you may feel a bit happy or sad about the past, but friends, I do feel you will be able to overcome it and feel and find something even more better than the past this month, friends. Yes, I do feel some of you could be worried about your children, or if you are looking to be pregnant, you are worried about that. When will it happen? Why is it hasn't happened yet? So a lot of things about fertility, about the past lovers, about family dynamics. But you know what? This month will bring you a lot of fulfillment, emotional happiness. So don't worry. The star, yes, your wish is gonna come true, friends. Whatever you are wishing for, whether it is love, whether it is marriage, or a reunion with your lover, with your twin flame, or whether it is you are wishing for success, creativity, it is gonna come your way. It is going to happen for you this month. I do see some of you will be very creative. You can write your first book this month. You may also be very poetic, very creative, and very artistic. So, whatever you wish for has a very high chance of coming true this month, friends. So, be careful in what you wish for. You are about to take a leap of faith forward in your life. Worry will be replaced with optimism, fear will be replaced with hope, and joy will come to you in the most unexpected ways. So, something beautiful is definitely going to happen for you, friends. Something that will make you feel happy, happy tears, happy excitement, unexpected surprises. So, it's a beautiful month. It's a beautiful month, definitely. Four of spring. So 11 twin flame energy is also here. I feel some of you, if you are having trouble in your married life or with in laws or with family, that will be resolved, friends. That will definitely be resolved. If you are single, you are going to meet someone who has a chance of marrying you or settling down with you. I also feel that for some of you, a past lover will be trying to reach out to you with more clarity and more effort towards you. So, this is, this is like finally you finding the home, the finally you find some peace, finally you find like, whew, this is where I belong, this is my place, my home, my happiness. It is time to kick back, relax, and let go of all the worries. Joy arises from the success in your career, the confidence of a project well done, or a very happy home life. So, I feel this month is also when you don't need to do a lot. You may want to do a lot, but it is also, a month when you take time to enjoy and, just just sit without doing anything. That's what it is. And look, it has come with the Eight of Springs. So work hard, but also party harder. That's the month this is about. And think of the past, but also be happy and excited about your future. What a great month! Wonderful. Nine of winter. So you guys won't be sleeping a lot, friends. Yes, you are not gonna sleep a lot. You'll be thinking a lot, binge watching a lot, working more in the night. You will be getting a lot of dreams, a lot of ideas in the night. So if you are dealing with health issues, anxiety, depression, or any sort of health issues, friends, like even cough, cold, or anything like that, you're gonna recover from it, friends. You're gonna definitely recover. And one thing I would suggest you is to get some more sleep. I see like you guys are not sleeping so much, or you may not even feel a need to sleep this month, but it is necessary. It is necessary to relax. All right. I also feel there is a past person who is kind of anxious, worried. They are weak. They are scared. That's the right word. They are scared to come back, but they want you back. That energy is coming in very strongly. Ten of Cups. Yes, friends. For some of you, this month is about healing your relationships, healing your family, finding love and peace and hope in your family, in your home, in relationships. This month, you could also be getting married. Someone in the family could be getting married. Some of you could be meeting someone, through a date or matrimony site, which you will end up getting married in the future. So, love is very important. Love, peace, harmony, and happy relationships are very important for you this month, friends. If people are, or if there is fighting, arguments, you will not be happy. You will not be happy. So, peace and harmony is very important for you. And this is a cuddly kind of a month. You will feel very cuddly, you will feel very mushy, happy moments, happy surprises. I feel some of you could have your birthdays also this month. You could be cancers. So, yeah, or your birthdays are coming. So, you are like super excited. So, let's see what else. Healer of the ages, number 51. Definitely, friends, this month is you are recovering from the past, heartbreak, heart loss, or whatever, whatever you lost in the past, you are recovering from it. And you are ready for a brand new start. You are ready for something beautiful to come in your life. Community, yes, I do see friends. New friendships are coming your way. Friends, like minded people, new friends, new friendships, people whom you can connect with. Some of you could be starting or developing a new hobby, like, singing, writing songs, playing some music, or just, maybe modeling, dressing up, All those things are very, very important for you. So let's see your advice. And oh, you have two advice cards. Let's see. A new start is coming, a new moon. Wow, friends. A new moon is coming on the 10th or the 11th. 11, wow. On the 11th June of this month. So definitely, this is a powerful month for you, friends. A new start is coming for you. So focus on the new things. Don't focus on the past. Don't focus on who left you or why they did so. Because something wonderful is definitely coming your way, and a restart, a reunion, or a powerful new start is coming your way. And you are good enough, full moon in Virgo. So, friends, yes, you deserve all the success. If someone tells you you don't deserve it, you can't be happy, you can't achieve that success or that lover, you can, friends, you can. You deserve it more than anybody else. And this is the month to believe in yourself, to accept the blessings coming your way. Let's see some extra cards for June for pile number 2. Okay. First, pay attention to your finances. Yeah, I do feel some of you could be worried, like you are not earning as much as you used to do, or some financial worries are there. Rest assured, friends, I do see a financial healing happening for you. Your finances getting better. Peace and harmony. Yes, that's this month about for you. Peace, harmony, love, and sweetness. This month will bring you sweetness. Star, wow, you have two cards for the star. Look at that. The star, the star. So definitely, friends, your wishes are, coming true. Guaranteed success. You are destined for success. There is no doubt about it. Wheel, indecision, allowing your life to ramble aimlessly. Yeah, don't focus too much on the past, friends. Focus on the present and your future. Wall, a misunderstanding. Yes, somebody from the past wanna come in. Could be a friend, a lover, could be a relative, could be a friend or a twin flame. Too much concern with sexual matters, rabbit. Yes, passions are high, friends. Passions are high. You're very, very passionate. Unicorn, use your intuition to make important changes. Listen to your heart, friends. Older man, dealings or relationships with an older man. Moon, changes in your life. Some positive changes are happening. February is important for some of you. Somebody born in February or maybe the next February is important. Sorrow over a loss. I think this month you are focused. You start the month with a lot of focus on your past, regretting people, regretting the losses, regretting like, oh, you could have made a better choice. But friends, I think this month will restore your peace, restore your hope, and bring you love and success. So that's it for now, friends. Subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye. So friends, let us see for those who chose option number 3. Let us see how your month of June will be if you chose this beautiful destiny card. Wow, this is a powerful month for you. Look at this card. It is like, you rising out of everything, and reaching a new high, a new success, a new consciousness. Number 10. It is like coming to full circle, destiny, success, power. Also, this is about Saturn, destiny, life purpose, karma. This is a very, very powerful month for you, friends. Let's see your tarot cards. These are your oracle and your advice. I'll also be pulling these extra messages at the end. Let's see pile number 3, how your June will be. Alright, you start the month of June feeling a lot of busyness. You are rushing, rushing, rushing. You are rushing everywhere, friends. You want to do this, you want to do that. You have a lot of thoughts on your mind. You're very busy. I see actually you're not only busy, you want to do half things. Like you are doing something, then you will stop and start doing something else. You are doing that, then you will have some other thought and you'll stop it and you will do something three. So, You're busy, your mind is racing, you want to leave, you want to do too much, super achieve. So that is how you start the month of June, feeling over ambitious, trying to juggle many things, trying to balance a lot of chores, responsibilities, ideas. Some of you may be handling two jobs also. Some of you could be managing home as well as your work also. So you are busy, you are handling too much of stress when you start the month of June. It might even be stressful, the starting of June for you, friends. Please let me know in the comments. I feel this June, the way the June has started was stressful. It was hectic for you. You may be under stress because of multiple jobs or handling too many responsibilities. It is important to balance your work and personal life and bring a spirit of fun in all you do. So that's what is necessary, friends. You start the month feeling you are overworked, you are overtired, you are overburdened. You may feel like life is a burden, life is just a pressure cooker, but you have to find, even if life is a pressure cooker, there are certain good things, even a pressure cooker can cook good food, right? It's pressure, but it cooks great food. So that is a plus point. You can look at it that way. The strength card 1111. I see a lot of 11 in this reading. I think every pile had an 11 card, 1111. So this is a very, very powerful month for you, friends. Some of you are worried about your health, about your mental health, physical health. Some of you are even worried about your finances. But I think you will recover, friends. You will recover very strongly in your health, in your finances. Your financial stability will increase. Your health will be also better. Some of you will also be able to overcome what you feel is challenging. You feel something you are doing is very challenging in June. Like maybe you got a new project, you feel you can't do it, or you feel like your marriage or your love relationship is testing you. But you know what? It will come out. You will reach the other side. You will achieve success. This is a very, very strong relationship. This is a strong partnership. So you can expect success, you can expect peace, you can expect recovery. Also, for some of you, your twin flame relationships will be very, very important this month. So, yes. Another thing I'm feeling, friends, in June for you is you will be facing this issue a lot. Should you act or should you not act? Should you be passionate or should you be passive? So that is another important question in your mind, to be or not to be. But I think you should be, because you are very lucky. Destiny is working in your favor. So you may start a new job or something which you feel you can't do, but you can actually be very good at it. So go for it. This also applies to relationship. Like you may not feel you want to talk to new people, or you are not sure about the new people you are talking with. But you know what? The relationships are strong. You can count on them. Five of winter. So yeah, I do feel that there will be some sort of a struggle in relationships, especially at work. Competition, you may face some competition at work. You may also feel like other people are not agreeing to what you are saying. You may also feel like, even in family, you may feel like everybody has their point of view, nobody understands you. So there is this point of discussion, there is this point of difference, conflict in your life in June. Your heart also will be saying one thing, friends, your mind will be saying another. So there is another confusion going on there. But I think you can resolve it, friends. You can resolve it by thinking of your heart, thinking things, seeing things from your heart. You will be able to resolve these issues. I also feel that, someone who was not talking with you, who was quarreling with you, who was in a cold war with you, that person wanna come back, or they will message you in this month. And I don't know if you will like it or not, but they are surely going to message you. Your twin flame, your ex husband, wife, your ex lover, whatever, your current lover who is not talking to you, long distance, no contact situation, that person is going to reach out to you. Your current path is not leading you towards the happiest possible outcome, so why not change things? Always maintain integrity and compassion, but always be careful of the hidden agendas of people. Yes, I do see some competition around you, friends, in June, whether in family, with friends, even at work. But you must not give in to the pressures, because you are very strong. Listen to your kindness, listen to your compassionate heart. You can achieve much more success with kindness than with force, than with fighting. Princess of Spring. Wow, wow. Friends, I do feel some of you are definitely going to clear an exam or get a promotion or get something that was your due, which was not given to you in the past. Maybe a new lover is coming, or maybe you're gonna achieve a degree or something like that. Clear an exam. It will give you a very good celebration. It will bring you happiness, but people around you will be jealous. People around you will be like, oh, how can you achieve that? How can they get it? How can they? Don't let it affect you, friends. Don't let it affect you. You are doing very well. You are working very hard, and that is why you are successful. So listen to it. And Aries, Leo, Sag person will be important to you, friends. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person also will be important. Four of summer. Yes, I do feel, friends, mid month you may feel like, you don't want to do anything. You just want to chill. You want to take some time off, relax, not do anything much. So that is how mid of the month will be, when you will be chilling, relaxing, and also you will feel like, you want things to be perfect, friends. In June you want your love life to be perfect, your marriage, your relationships to be perfect. If they are not, you are like, that's not fun. But friends, life is always perfect. Even relationships, always, in some way or the other, they are perfect. So this month you have to find perfection in imperfection. So that's how I would put it. Find some perfection in the imperfections. Justice. Wow. So I do see some legal victories happening for you. I also see some rewards which were denied to you. Something which was denied to you in the past, it will come now for you. Like if someone hurted you, you can expect an apology. If someone left you, they will message you. If a promotion was denied, it will come to you now. If you were failed in an exam, or what, how do I say this, like if you were trying to clear an exam but you were not able to, now in this month there's a strong chance of you getting through. So justice is with you. Also this month is, you will have to balance your work life with your home life. Otherwise everything can get too hectic, too stressful. So make sure to balance your work life and your home life. I also feel an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person will be important to you. For some of you, a new friendship is coming, and for others of you, a past person who was not talking will try to reach out to you. I don't know if you will talk with them or not, but they will try to reach out to you. I see a lot of past friendships coming back for you, trying to contact you, trying to reach out, trying to apologize, trying to make the air clear. So that is what is happening. A lot of past people coming and knocking on your doors. The lover. So definitely in love you have a choice, friends. You have a massive choice. The past or the new one. I see new people also coming your way. So this time you can choose love. This time you can choose happiness. You can choose, light. You can choose smiles over fear. I do feel that there is a relationship where the things are not going well, whether it is in love or family. Harmony will come there, harmony will come, peace will come in that relationship. True and long lasting love will find its way into your life, follow your heart with caring actions, and love will come for you. So, follow your heart, friends. Another thing I'm feeling is, friends, in June, your focus is on achieving success. Outside, you want success. You're hungry for fame. You're hungry for people recognizing your talent. But at the same time, you may not want to focus on love, focus on relationships. You are somewhere tired of love and relationships, but in June, love is coming your way. A balance is very necessary. Even though you may not like love or relationships, you may still have to deal with it. And I see that happiness and harmony will happen. Conflicts will end and happiness will take its place. The two of winter. Wow, confusions. So, yeah, I would say, friends, put any decisions you want to take to the end of this month, because when Mercury goes direct, it would be a great time to make any decisions. Mercury will be going direct in Gemini on the 22nd of June. That will be a great time for making any strong decisions, making any strong legal moves or legal acquisitions. Before that, you may feel a bit confused. You may also feel a bit stuck in your decisions and choices. So after 20th is a better time to make any strong decisions, strong moves. Some of you also, I feel, want to change, relocate, and travel. It will happen by the end of this month and the starting of the next month. So be patient, friends, be patient. Also, I feel, friends, you will have some confusion between an old lover and a new person, or in focusing on love or work. You will have these confusions this month. It's only part of the way this month is for you, but I think you will be able to overcome it. Man holding a coin, number 43. So yes, I do see that people are going to recognize your talent, recognize your worth. Some people are also going to invest their time and money, tell you how much they love you, how much they appreciate you, and how much sorry they are. So yes, a lot of success and a lot of love is coming your way. Ooh, man holding a heart. So definitely, friends, love is coming your way. I do see that both, opportunities of love will be coming your way from work, from social media, from dating sites. So, woohoo, love is coming for you from all corners, all sides. I also feel, friends, like you will have a choice to focus on work or focus on love. I see you choosing work, but I think you should also choose love, because that's what life is about, love. So, focus on love. Let's see this advice for you. Communication is the key, new moon in Gemini. And interestingly, there is a new moon in Gemini on the 11th of June. So, friends, communication, look how you communicate, look how others are communicating. So that is very important. What you communicate, how you say things, what are people saying, what they are not saying, those things are very necessary. And the advice is to keep your communications, peaceful. That's what you need to do in the month of June. Let's see some extra cards for pile number 2. These cards want to come out. Let's see. Okay, that's a lot of cards. Let's see. Excuse my throat, friends, it's really hot here, really, really hot. Even at night it's hot. Bad weather. A secret admirer was, yes, there is a secret admirer coming your way, so get ready. Weeping willow, family sorrow, yeah. I think some people will not be agreeing to you or appreciating your success, so you may feel bad about it. Money path, a new path of money is opening for you. Yoke, feeling tied down or frustrated, yes. Jealousy, people not understanding you, that will cause you frustrations. November is important. Someone born in November could be important. A man, dealings or relationship with a man. Well, family wishes will be coming true. October is also important. November, October. Rat. Someone is working against you behind your back. Yes, I do see gossip happening, friends, for you at work or within family. But it can't affect you because you're very, very strong. So stay humble, stay quiet, don't worry about it. Kite, take a vacation. Yes, some of you will be traveling. I see, spending some time just to be with yourself or taking a time, a weekend to travel or meet friends. Sunrise, new creative ideas, new ventures, a fresh start. Quill, get back to the basics. So, yes, Quill. Tiger, doing something risky, taking a chance. Yes, it is time. In June, you will want to do something risky, but keep your balance. Time to get out of a situation. Yeah, I do see you leaving, moving away from drama. And you are very, very protected. Shield and defend yourself. I see you very protected by the God and the universe. So you have nothing to worry about. And remember, some things are in your destiny. No matter what, nobody can stop them. So, woohoo! So that's it for now, pile number 3. Subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Insta to buy personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.